got the X-Force cabinet 6-pill here. Customer says that in order for it to receive again, I've got to tap on the relay to get it to hear anything. Okay. All right, let's take a look. There you got the screws off. Let's see what's going on here. So we got 6 HGs. Let's see. Everything looks fine. There's no bypass tune. There's no bypass tune. We'll figure that out. Let's see. Nobody's burnt. It appears to be. Nobody's burnt. What's it? It's good. It's good. And nothing out of the ordinary here. So, alright, let's hook it up. Hook it up and see what we can get. Alright, we'll be back. Alrighty, so we got the lid taken off. Bench 2950, 15.5. Pass through tune. This is, I don't know. Oh, audio. Half a watt's a bit, I don't know. Average power. Well, that's input tune. Oh, input tune. Alright. Pass through tune. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh, audio. Alright. Average power on the left, peak power on the right. Oh, audio. Appears to be working. Alright, says something about the relay. Let's hook up the striker to it. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. Phone down for a second. And we're gonna put the striker up. Usually when I see this, it's the contact pads on the relay. It's not meshing. Right, they're dirty. So, let's fire the striker up. Striker. Let's see. Oh. Pass through tune. Hello, audio. 1 2 audio. Oh, a little dirty. So we'll fix that. No big deal. Input tune. Hello, audio. 1 2 audio. We can get that lower. Average power. Hello, audio. 600 watts. Peak power. Audio. In the corner. Times 2. In between the top scale of 10 and 15 is 1,000 watts. The 15 is 1,200. Oh, audio check. At 1,000. What this says, we'll go times 5, so 5,000. Audio. Once again, I'll even put a 5,000 watt in. Watts load. Then forward to the dummy load. Audio. So about 1,100 watts. Peak. Alright, so let's address that. Might need a new relay there. Let's turn the volume up. All right. Get that bypass tune straight. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. We went ahead and, let's see, added this bypass tuning cap right here. So now the ability for the RF to flow through the input, through the relay, out back to the output has been tuned accordingly. Okay. The Toshiba tune that was in here, we went ahead and redid that to accommodate the HG part. So that's good. All is well there. Play with the input tune a little bit. And here I'll show you bypass tune first. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio. Nothing. Damn near nothing. Goes with it off. Now we're gonna turn it on. Here's the input tune. Oh, audio 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Right. So here's the peak. Oh yeah. Still 1000 watts. 6 pill. Show the average. Oh yeah. 600 watts. Average. 1011 with the peak slug, peak meter, I guess. So we're just about done here. And dig out the bench 2 pill and see what it does. Alright, we'll be back. And we are back. It's not 6 pill here. We got the power wire upgrade, retune the inputs for HGs because this appeared to be a Toshiba 2879 build. Retuned the 2 pill stages, and so this is what we got. So the bypass from earlier, we got that straight. So here's the input tune with the striker. 100 watts in. Oh, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Good enough. There's power. Oh, yeah. 600 watts average. Peak. Oh, in the corner. It's done. Alright. Now this is off to its owner. This particular gentleman has another box here that we're gonna go with next. We'll be back. Here's your other box, buddy. Customer wants C's. These 2879 C's pulled out. I already started the process. Here's my pile of parts changing or not using. Yep. So we're gonna retune this 4 pill stage after we pull these transistors out, get it running good, and then we're gonna give it a power wire upgrade from here to the transformer. Alright, see you in a minute. Ladies and germs, we got this 4 pill done. 4 pills, power wire upgrade, gave it a bath, brand new feedbacks, flybacks. Alright, floated everything, got it looking real nice and pretty. Like I said, gave it a bath because she was a little dirty. The gentleman who owns this has this in his tractor trailer and runs it around with it with this in his tractor trailer. So, all right, let's go down the band. 5 watts in reverse between the amp and the radio. 1000 watts average, 1000 watts peak into the dummy load. Here's passing tune. Hello, audio. Oh, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Low. Striker bridge. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. All right. Radio watts. Hello, audio. 100 watts. Awesome. Turn that on. Here's the input tune. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Right, and we are operating at 15.5. 15. Input tune again. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. right? Average. Hello, audio 1, 2. 400 watts. Peak power. Hello, audio 850. Hello, audio 850. Trying for 9. Trying for 9. Only putting, 90, 100 watts into this thing. So I think it's working good. You're gonna be pretty happy with this versus the C's. Just not a big fan of them, unfortunately, for everyday use. Your lid here. We'll get the lid all soldered up real quick, so I can show you the lid's operational, and you all can witness me soldering this back on. Let's put a screw in this. Fan off. Stop spinning. Right. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nice and good, nice and good. Alright, buddy, we're gonna get the rest of the screws in this, and your 6 pill and the 4 pill is complete. We're gonna wipe that down. And ready to go. Brand new pills put in for you, and we're gonna move on to the next. Thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, do your thing. Appreciate you letting me do my thing on this side. We'll see ya real quick. This is my 4 pill. We dumping in about 100 watts average, 100 watts burger, right? Cover 29, 2 pill, 4 pill. Worldwide, 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 worldwide.